Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, my hair just doesn't feel like me? Or worse, have you ever received a compliment and realized the person was just being nice? Don't worry, you're not alone. Your hair is one of the first things people notice about you, and the wrong cut or color can ruin your confidence. But today, I'm going to show you how to transform your look in ways you never thought possible. And trust me, when you get your hair right, it's like a 10 times upgrade for your entire life. Ready? Let's do this. Let's be real. Your hair is the frame of your face, and if the frame doesn't match the masterpiece, everything looks off. Imagine the Mona Lisa with platinum curly hair. Doesn't make sense, right? The same goes for you. Your face shape, hair texture, and even your lifestyle directly influence what works and what doesn't. For example, if you have a round face, a haircut that adds volume on top can elongate your face and give you a more elegant look. If you have a square face, soft bangs can soften your angles and make your features more harmonious. And it's not just about beauty. The right hair can boost your confidence and even change how people perceive you. Seriously, it's like magic. Now let's get to the good stuff. How to choose the perfect haircut. First, you need to understand your face shape. Round face, avoid cuts that add more roundness, like super short bob cuts. Instead, go for layers that create movement and elongate your look. Square face, side bangs, or asymmetrical cuts can soften strong angles. Oval face, you're lucky. Almost every cut works for you, but a lob cut or a pixie can really highlight your features. But it's not just about face shape. Your hair texture matters too. Fine hair can gain volume with layered cuts, while thick hair can be tamed with more structured styles. And don't forget your lifestyle. If you don't have time to spend hours styling, choose a low-maintenance cut that still makes you feel amazing. Here's a viral tip. Before making a drastic change, use filters or apps that simulate haircuts. It's a fun way to test looks without regrets. Now that you know which cut works for you, let's talk about color. Choosing the right shade can brighten your face, enhance your eyes, and even disguise imperfections. For example, warm tones like copper and honey are perfect for fair skin, while cool tones like dark brown and blue-black work well for darker skin. And if you want something bold, like platinum blonde or vibrant red, remember, maintenance is key. Faded color or visible roots can ruin even the most beautiful look. But there's no point in having the perfect color if your hair isn't healthy. Invest in weekly deep conditioning, use heat protectant before blow drying or straightening, and never sleep with wet hair. Yes, that can cause irreversible damage. And here's a viral tip. For instant shine, apply a bit of argan oil to the ends after styling. The result is straight out of a movie. A great cut and amazing color are just the beginning. How you style your hair can take your look to the next level. For straight hair, a flat iron can give you that shiny, shampoo, commercial movement. For curly hair, a diffuser can enhance your curls and keep them defined and frizz-free. And if you prefer a more natural look, try texturizing sprays or sea salt sprays for that just got back from the beach effect. Don't forget the right products: sulfate-free shampoos to maintain color, nourishing conditioners for damaged hair, and treatment masks to restore shine. Oh, and here's a tip that's going to blow up. For instant volume, wash your hair upside down and use a volumizing spray at the roots before blow drying. The results are amazing. Now that you know everything about how to change your hair and transform your look, it's time to take action. What's your first move going to be? A bold cut, a vibrant color, or a new way to style? Comment below and tell me what your next step is. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with that friend who also needs a hair glow up. Remember, the right hair can change everything. See you next time.